All right, there's a lot of Jamaicans here. What do you guys think about the results today? What happened?
Great result.
Yeah.
Great result.
All right,
That
go ahead.
that shot put medal is like a gold medal.
Yes,
We have no
yes.
business in those type of disciplines. That's for the
Yes.
East Europeans.
Yes.
And think about it. We have a youngster who left school like 3-4 years ago.
And he went to our school.
In the top 3, throwing 20.
What school is that?
Kingston College.
Uh,
Kingston College.
Oh, the Kingston people are here?
Yeah,
Casey?
Casey.
Oh, there's a...
Casey. That's a top high school in Jamaica.
But we are disappointed about
Now, something else which is good, and you must watch. Julian Alfred, the girl who won the 100 today,
Yes?
she came to Jamaica, went to high school in Jamaica,
Trained.
trained in Jamaica. So we built her.
All
We
right.
built her.
All right, so before you go,
Yes.
who will win the 100 for men tomorrow?
I beg to disagree. I beg to disagree.
Yes?
There's a certain gentleman named Glenn Mills.
Right?
He built boats,
Uh-huh.
and he tells you that no one can stand up in front of oblique.
Okay.
All right.
So you're going with oblique.
I'm going with oblique.
And the
1-2 tomorrow.
1-2. All right.
1-2. All
All
right. One quick picture. One quick picture.
I'm with another Jamaican here. What's your name?
My name, they call me Ceremony Ice, and I'm saying Olympics this year is proper shit. Jamaicans, them not going with nothing this year, but we understand, because sometimes that's how it go, you know? Yeah, we understand. So you have a year where, you know, we drop off a shape and we come back. So we have to get used to that situation. Merely not to them and all of them people there, when them did stop run, we did drop off, then both them come and you let them come and build up the thing. So that's how it go. So we have to just accept it. And with the race, what them say, Jamaican, them rob a race, them no rob it.
So you think...
A chest go over line. We know that from man it's also race run. That's why the man them beat them chest. Foot no win race.
All right, brother. Thank you.
All right.
So I'm here with Mama Susie, one of the chief chefs, Jamaican chefs in Europe. Mama Susie, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Your impression on the Olympics so far and Team Jamaica?
Well, so far, Team Jamaica is going very well. We're very proud of them. And what they're doing their best. And we're here to support them in every way that we can. That's why we're here, you know, doing our best to give them our support.
So you're not one of them who will be bashing the team that they didn't win enough
No,
medals?
sir, me not bash nobody, because me they never win a medal in my life yet. The only medal me win is to chat too much. So I love Team Jamaica and go Team Jamaica. Mama Susie said go, 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 go and never stop. Up it is and never the opposite. Continue doing what you guys are doing and we all love you.
What team do you support?
Oh, I support Team USA,
USA?
because my people did not make it. So I support the women's 4x100 meter track.
Any,
team.
what's your opinion on Noah Lyles and his...
You know, I felt bad for him, but the fact of the matter is the fact that he had COVID and still managed to get bronze. So I just got to give him massive kudos. I love his vibe. Yeah, he chat a lot, but his chat, he can back it up. Okay. So he just does it for fun. I feel like a lot of people are just, I feel he's misunderstood.
He's a loudmouth.
He is a loudmouth, but he can back it up. He can back it up.
Do you think track and field needs that though?
Yes, because I feel it
The
does.
flamboyancy and all of, yes, it's good. It's good.
Brings
It's good,
attention to the
but
sport.
He's
you
an
know?
attention seeker.
Yes, he is.
And
Yes,
maybe
he
he just needs to tone it down. I think in time he will get there. But just a little bit of maturity and he'll get there.
Were you disappointed in the Jamaican team?
I was disappointed, but I am 1000% will always support them to the end.
Yeah.
Jamaica yarded to the end because we are the best.
I was looking forward to the
Regardless.
women's 100 meter dash. I'm
Regardless.
very disappointed that Sharika did not
And I
run.
think Shellyanne was poorly treated.
She was.
And that needs to be
Do you have any
handled.
information as to what exactly happened?
They changed the rules the night before that all athletes had to be on the athlete bus. in order to come through the gates. You don't change the rules the night before and not let the athletes know. So when Sharika and Shakari showed up at the gate, they had them walk an hour.
So as a result, she was
Ridiculous.
not able to warm up.
Ridiculous.
And based on
You don't
that, she was
treat
not able to
athletes so poor.
participate.
Yeah.
So yes.
You don't treat athletes so
What's
poor.
your general opinion of the Paris Olympics? Because a lot of people seem to be disappointed
It's
in
very, very disappointing.
Many
Very
flaws.
disappointing. Yeah, a lot of
Many flaws. I don't think they invested enough, and they had all these years to prepare themselves. But I think they fell flat in a lot of years. The language barrier. I mean, it's like they're all
We
these
just talked about
volunteers.
this last night,
There are all
right?
these volunteers in the city, but they did not put enough into.
For example, how do you have, so all of the RER, I love how they had all the paintings showing all of the trains that are going to St. Denis or any of the stadiums. However, any announcements that you're making, English is the common language amongst all the countries.
80% of the
80% of the
people
speaking
here.
here. This is an international sport. I understand we're in France, obviously, but it's an international sport. Make your announcement in both languages.
Both languages.
They were just making announcements in
It
French,
was
and the rest of
all
us were
in
just looking at
French,
each other
and
like, wait.
everybody's looking around like at
Which
each other
direction?
like,
Where
what
we going?
direction do we go in? So yes.
I felt that preparation, so I'm all for national pride, which I understand national pride, and I'm not trying to slam the French. I love France. I'm here all the time, but I feel with a sport, with a
little more effort
a little
needed
bit more
to put
effort.
in.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
As you can see, we're very passionate and very, very opinionated.
I like that. It makes good television.
Yeah, my business, I sell cinnamon roll and coffee, drinks, etc. I'm in the second arrondissement, 9 rue Tickton, dans Paris. With my brother, we start so far, starting from the bottom, you know. I drive my car, start to selling my product, and struggle a lot. And after I have money to open my home business with my brother, so I'm so happy because people come, love the product, so we're very, very proud of the team, you know, because it's a teamwork. Yeah, it's not a single work, teamwork. So I'm happy to be here around the city, and I'm happy to meet people like you also, because that's why I make what I make. It's for see people, talking with people, you know.
So what are some of the countries that came through during the Olympics, as in clients?
Country, yeah. A lot of American people, Jamaican people, Netherlands people, a lot of England people also from London. Yeah, and I like the diversity, and you know, so I'm very, very proud because my product, it's a inter-country product. You know, everyone knows cinnamon roll, drink, take one coffee. I can talk. It's a sharing product. So I'm very, very happy.
And in general, for the Olympics, how have you experienced the Olympics in Paris so far?
Me, I love the Olympics because I was a sprinter when I was young. I made 100 meter, 200 meter, and I love Usain Bolt. He's one of my favorite person in the world. I'm really, really fan Usain Bolt, a Jamaica team. And when I was young, I would like to be a Jamaican. And Bob Marley also, I like how everything smoke weed, you know. I never smoke, but you know, Bob Marley, it's an institution. It's on the culture. And I
Explain to me the concept of running to win a cinnamon roll. What's that concept about?
Because you know, when I was young with my bro, we track and field, we were a sprinter. So we just tell that it will be good to challenge other people, because sports, it's really, really important in your life, and you know, we do business, so I just tell me I have to sharing with people, talk with people, and I think this type of challenge, energy is very, very cool.
But explain the challenge for those who haven't.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
The challenge is really simple. We start the top of the street to the front of the store, and if they win, they can take for free one cinnamon roll and one drink. They have the choice: one cinnamon roll and one drink.
But
the
it's
two
almost
items.
impossible.
And how many races have you lost so far?
Zero.
People every time they lose, but they very, 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 very good people, fast people, and I'm happy.
Yeah.
So I'm with two, well, I suppose they're Jamaicans. What's
Yes, sacrifice.
what's your name? What's your name?
I'm Kat.
Nat. We were born in London to Jamaican parents, so.
Okay, what's your impression on today's performance by the Jamaican team? Because you were at the stadium, were you?
We were at the stadium. The young man who was doing the 400 meter, not 400 meter, yeah, 400 meter hurdle. Sadly, he fell on the last hurdle, and I felt for him.
We had a triple jumper.
We had a Jamaican triple jumper.
Fourth, I believe. So that was really good.
That was really good. And what else was there?
Relays.
The relay. 400 meters. Who was in that? Was the women in that one?
Yes.
Yeah, the women was in that
The
one.
women won
they
their
didn't place, though.
the women won their semi-finals.
Yeah, but this was the
But
final.
but in the final,
Yeah,
the 4x1.
Yeah.
They didn't place. They didn't place
Yeah,
1, 2,
Great
3.
Britain. No. Great Britain came second.
Yeah.
And USA first.
But you know, we will rep JA.
We rep
always.
JA every time.
Every time. Each and every time. Because we're so
And every
proud.
time we see people with a Jamaica t-shirt,
Do
we
you,
say hello.
do you know what I did? I saw someone with a Jamaican t-shirt. I went from across the street. I said, "Hey!" and I scared the person because they weren't from.
Yeah,
JA.
some people don't have the vibes.
She
Okay.
wasn't
No,
from
oh,
Jamaica.
yeah.
She wasn't from Jamaica.
Oh yeah, there was someone
Yeah.
wearing a Jamaican t-shirt and they weren't from Jamaica.
So I startled her essentially.
The
but
name
then-
is actually like a brand.
Exactly.
Here. People just wear it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you're not too disappointed, even though we didn't get a lot of medals.
I would have loved to have sung the national anthem of Jamaica, you know.
We
But-
were screaming though in the stadium, and there was lots of different pockets of JA fans. Like
Yeah,
we
you
were
could see the
screaming.
flags and
You know, we got our vibrancy and our colours, so we were just happy to be there.
Yeah, just happy to be there.
Yeah.
It's really nice. And actually, after this experience, we think we're going to go
Just
and
follow-
just
follow
follow
the
the teams and do some more athletics. We
And
met
all
some really cool
sports.
Jamaican people just at the end, didn't
Yeah.
we? And they travel around the world.
They told us to come to Tokyo next year.
Yeah, they're going to
There you
Tokyo.
go, let's
they're
go
going
to Tokyo.
LA.
So there's a team of some beautiful Jamaican colors here. What one?
We're still hopeful.
So give me your names and tell me where you're from.
From Kingston.
From Kingston?
Lawrence from Jamaica.
Sharon, Jamaica.
Dominique, Jamaica. Josh, Jamaica.
All right, so how do you feel about the session this morning? The 4x1 men didn't qualify, the women came third. How are you feeling at the moment?
Disappointed, but
We
hopeful.
have a team in the finals. Yeah, we have the women, you know.
Tonight. We hope for tonight.
We'll stand behind them.
Well, time to blink, we don't know, you know.
Yeah. What about the women? Because there's no Sharika, no Shelly to come in. So are you confident that we could medal there, or?
Well, I think we need one of them.
You know, anything can happen.
Only trying. Right.
Anything can happen, right? In a relay, the baton. So where's the next Jamaican medal coming from?
Hurdles.
Hurdles?
Yeah.
Who?
We have 3 men in the 110 hurdle. So we have to do something. So one of them,
Bennett, Parchment.
Right.
Parchment? You think Parchment could do it again? He's in lane 2, I think.
I think Bennett, you know.
Broadbell
Bennett. Williams.
and Bennett.
And Williams.
What about the women's hurdles?
400.
I'm not sensing the Jamaican optimism at all. All right, how do you feel about the discus yesterday?
New record, so go somewhere.
I see that there's a group here with Jamaican flags, but they're not Jamaicans. You're not Jamaicans, are you?
We love Jamaica.
We're Jamaican lovers.
Okay, so how do you explain that?
You have a guy named Mr. Bolt
Right?
that stunned the world a couple of years ago. You have another guy named Bob Marley, who actually 40, 50 years ago was God living.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, it speaks to our ears, and I would crave to visit. So one day
Yeah, that's
I'll
a dream
go.
of us. We want to visit Jamaica. one day.
And where are you from originally?
Me, I'm from the French Caribbean, Guadeloupe.
I'm half French and half from Senegal, West Africa.
Okay.
And these
Our mix.
are the
Our mix.
2 points of the triangle.
So how do you feel about the Jamaican team performance so far, though? Because we haven't done as well as
The
people
level
thought.
It was before. When it comes to athletics, you know, I'm used to have sometimes just, 2 Jamaicans on the podium.
This year is probably not the best one, but we haven't seen everything yet. So I'm guessing that you guys will perform at some point and take it over.
Probably tonight. We're going to the stadium tonight.
Right.
So hopefully,
Okay.
you guys will be on top.
Well,
But
thank
leave
you
some
very
room
much.
for us, for the French and for Senegal, right?
Sorry?
Leave some room for us.
Of course. I love J'adore le Senegal.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Wave the Jamaican flag. All right.
The session was okay, but I was hoping that the Jamaicans would have done a little better. I don't know if they put their good starters out there. To qualify, you really need to put people out there who is going to do the job.
Right.
But
And disappointment because the men did not qualify.
yes,
So, but how do you feel about the discus win last night?
that was fabulous. Really, really good. I mean, we weren't even expecting to get into more than maybe the bronze, but we had gold.
And how has your Olympics been so far? The experience in Paris?
It's a lot of train rides and steps. I hope I lose some weight after this.
Are you expecting any more medals before the end of these championships?
I'm not so sure because I'm looking at the team and I can't even recognize any of the names as to say, oh yes, I can remember that these were really good in the qualifying. So I'm not so sure.
So I'm with a Jamaican who is exiting the stadium. What's your name?
So I'm Kamika.
What was your experience like today?
Well, I'm here to represent, so I'm still honored that we were in the game, but a bit disappointed. The men 4x100 relay, we weren't qualified, and the women barely got through.
And what's your general impression of the Olympics so far?
So far, it's well organized. The energy is here. With all that's going around the Jamaican camp, I'm still here to represent because I live in Paris and I'm proud to be here. I think it's one in a lifetime moment for me, so I'm still grateful.
And Jamaica won the discus last night. How do you feel about that?
Then our first medal, I must feel good. Yes, I will merit more than that and more to come.
Are you looking forward to more medals?
Yes, I always believe in our team and our athletes because we are God-chosen people and they give their all year. So yes.
Who's going to win today?
What kind of question that boss is?
But there are three Jamaicans. There's three Jamaicans.
It's a 1-2-2 we're hoping for.
1-2-2? All right.
One of us see this stuff in the video, stay right there, sir. With no disrespect, Shelly are the best. Come on now.
Hey! With no disrespect, Shelly are the best. With no disrespect, Shelly are the best. With no disrespect. Where are you from?
Kingston, Jamaica.
Kingston, Jamaica. All right, your reaction to what happened today in the 100?
Very disappointed. Haven't gotten the full story. Hoping and praying that there wasn't a mix-up on the official side. Really sorry for Shelly, and she's been such a great ambassador. Still support her, and you know.
We don't want to see it, go like this. We wanted to see her final Olympics, for her to end glory. So we're very, very disappointed. But goes on. We're getting some medals, and Team Jamaica all the way.
And what are your predictions for tomorrow?
Well, I see three podium places are there, so one can fit the black, one can fit the green, and one can fit the gold.
All right.
But, yeah, Team Jamaica, I think we'll have at least two.
All right.
At least two.
Thank
Tushen,
you.
one, Omik, two, and we'd love to see Akil do something too.
All right. All right. So what do you think about the results today?
We were bad luck, injured.
Disappointed I didn't see Shelly because I specifically came to see her, but still happy for what we got.
Okay, and what do you think about the conditions that they ran in?
Yeah, I didn't like it.
I think that was a disadvantage.
Yeah, I didn't like it. It wasn't good.
And
Too much rain.
Yeah.
A lot of rain.
And what about the 100 for tomorrow?
We've got that.
We've got that?
We have
Gold.
got that.
All
Gold
right.
and silver.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good night.
Just
All
very
right.
disappointed we never saw Shelly Ann, but you know, I guess we'll find out why soon.
When we saw like number 5 was Antigua, like, where is she?
Yeah, but we're still happy to represent.
Okay, and where are you from?
From the DC area.
Okay, and you?
I'm from here from Paris.
You're in Paris?
Yes.
And what do you think about the 100 tomorrow?
Well, we're excited. I
We're
don't know.
excited. We're coming back tomorrow, so
Okay.
hopefully everybody will show up.
All right, thank you.
When you're ready.
So, what's your name? I see some Jamaicans here coming out of the stadium. So tell me your names, where you're from.
I'm Carrie Matley, I'm from Jamaica, of course.
Opal, and I'm from Jamaica but living in the United States.
This is my mom.
Oh, nice.
As much as we did not take home a gold, we take home silver and we take home bronze. We are Jamaicans, we are no problem. We just got to go back and work on the second one. Okay?
Hi, I'm a bit bummed out that Shelly didn't run today. We may have only gotten the gold and silver so far, but I know that for the rest of the events coming, we're going to be taking home a lot of gold. So my spirit is not dampened. I am the golden ticket winner, and believe me, we're coming home with a lot of gold. Remember, I told you that.
Well,
Oh, yes, you are the golden ticket winner.
Yes, I am.
I remember you were with Miss Kitty on. That's right. Well, Miss Kitty, she reached. She reached. I remember that. Okay, so how has it been going so far? Are you happy with the experience?
I'm loving it. Absolutely. It's a dream come true. Absolutely loving it.
And what's your favorite French food so far?
Oh,
I love the pastries.
The pastries?
I love all of the pastries.
The pastries are good. So far, it's
So.
It's not
I
bad.
love
Okay.
to delve that deep, just get into the French cuisine. I've been treading lightly.
Okay.
Don't want to get sick too early on the trip. But the further down, we're gonna go somewhere into the
And will you try the snails before you leave?
I'm going to
The
escargot.
snails.
No, we walk and snail and crush them in Jamaica. We don't eat them.
No, I'm not a fan of escargot.
And-
I've had it before. Was not a fan. I've tried it twice. No, not for me.
Yeah, we don't like those delicacies.
And what do you think about the 100 tomorrow?
I think we're gonna take home a gold.
Yeah, we're gonna take it home.
We're going back to the drum board, right? We're taking home a gold. Yeah.
All right, especially for Miss Kitty, can you bust a la 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 la? I don't know what she does.
Miss Kitty, I love you.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So I'm with some other Jamaicans here coming out of the stadium. Tell me your name.
And I'm from Jamaica.
Okay, we're in Jamaica.
Old
Same for everybody? Okay, this is the Old Harbour crew. Are you support St. Jago or which? No school in particular? Old Harbour High. Okay. All right. So what's your reaction to the results tonight? Let's start with you.
A little mixed. I'm a little disappointed that Shelly and Fraser Price did not run in our race. I'm not sure of the circumstances. I heard that it was as a result of some injury, that was disappointing. But other than that, the performance for all the other runners was above average. I am pretty satisfied.
And you?
I think I share the same sentiments. I mean, I'm a bit disappointed that Shelly didn't get to perform. I was really looking forward to that because, you know, it's her last Olympics that she stated. But I'm very, very proud of Tia. I've been bringing her from champs until now. I'm so happy for her.
Do we know what happened to her? Because did she pull up or did she slip or something?
Tia? No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But
I mean, for me, kind of like she probably stumbled. At
yeah,
some
coming
point.
out of the block.
The conditions were really bad. What's your opinion on that? Do you think that it was suited for running or?
It was raining quite heavily. I mean, it's probably there to hold up a little bit, but I know it's off time, so you know we just have to work with it. So,
Yeah, I don't think we're using that as an excuse for
Right.
her though, because everybody ran in it, and we as
Right.
Jamaican, we know how to run in the rain. So
That's right.
I just think she did her best, and I think she is the future.
And what about you? What? How has Paris been so far?
Good.
And are you going to try the frog legs, the snails? What are you looking forward to try? No?
We'll stick to curry chicken and dumpling.
All right.
Shelley and Alfred won.
Yes.
I celebrated her. I'm so happy for her. So proud of her. She deserves it. So yeah.
All right. One Caribbean.
Yes.
All right.